Welcome to my newest listing at 184 West Branch Road in Barto, PA. This is a brick rolling ranch with 2-car garage, over 1,500 square feet, 4 beds, 2 full baths, and geothermal heating and cooling. There's a newer roof. This home sits on 1.83 acres. Let's go take a look. This is my favorite spot just because we've got a large garden that you could obviously get rid of it or you keep it. We've got some fresh blueberry bushes over there. Most importantly, if you have young kids or you want to be able to hit a 150-yard golf shot, practice your short game, really whatever you want to do back here, endless possibilities.